guys, it's Jessica, and today we are going to unbox the Spring FabFitFun box. I unbox this every single season, and they do send this to me for free for PR. So I always try to make that known in my videos. And I also do have a referral link down below if you are interested in trying this out. If you do purchase one of these through my link, I will get a small commission. Don't want to use that link, I will link the regular FabFitFun website as well, so no pressure. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got in my box this time. They do let you customize your boxes, at least certain parts of your box. So that is nice. They didn't used to do that, I want to say a year or two ago, but they've started doing it recently, which is nice because it is still 40 bucks. I think it's like originally 49, but you can use a $10 off coupon. I have one I will have below. I think it's GM Beauty. But tons of influencers have them. But even for, I mean, $40 is still a lot for a box of stuff. You know what I mean? That you didn't necessarily pick out yourself. So it's nice that you can kind of customize parts of it yourself. But the reason I really like this subscription box, and I've given it as gifts to people before as well, is because it's not just makeup or just skincare. It's a mix of like fashion stuff, jewelry, makeup, skincare, lifestyle stuff, workout and health stuff. It's always a really cool mix. And that's what makes it exciting. It's always stuff that I'm like, ooh, like I can't wait to use that. You know what I mean? So that in itself is exciting. So let's dive in. It's so cute. It always comes with a magazine with info about what you actually got and how to use certain things, and it's just an interesting little short magazine. I think that's pretty cool. So it also says like what's in the box, like you could have gotten this or this or this, etc. So the one thing I do like about FabFitFun is that I'm posting this video right now. You can get this box right now. You don't have to wait to get like the next seasons. You can go online, get the spring box right now, pick out the products you want, which I think is really, really cool. I always recommend getting it sooner rather than later because some of the items that are really popular can tend to like sell out. Something to keep in mind if you are interested. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is this really cute water bottle. It's by Swell, and it's their Sip by Swell, and it's one of those insulated water bottles. My husband Tyler loves Swell bottles. Like he uses one every single day, all day long. I don't like the kind of like twist top kinds. I don't know why. I have like a flip up one that I like, and I have like a straw one that I like. But the kind where I have to constantly open it and then reclose it that way, it's too much work for me. So I might see if he wants this, but this is a great gift. These retail for $19.99, which I mean, even in the store, you'd see it for that. So I think that's pretty sweet. That's half of the amount you paid right there. The next thing looks like it might be a bag of some kind. Oh, it's like a little backpack. So it's like a canvas backpack. It's from the brand that I've actually bought from before. The brand is Deluxe, spelled like that. And I bought a bag from them a long time ago, this brand. I think I maybe got it at like TJ Maxx or somewhere. And it was really cute and really well made. So I remembered that brand very specifically. So this is their Demi backpack. It retails for $75, which, but it's kind of got this like fake leather thing here. And then it's just kind of a bucket bag with a little bit of a pocket here. It doesn't zip or anything like that. Now, the other thing you could have gotten, I wish I would have gotten, is like this cute little robe that I've seen all over Facebook. I love robes. They send this to me pre-curated, so if I had curated this myself, I would have picked the robe. It's really, really cute. But this is still cute. Do I think this is worth $75? I don't know. Like I said, I bought Deluxe at TJ Maxx, so it was, you know, probably 50% off, give or take. It is cute though, and I like that it's a little bit different. It's a little bit of a different style that I wouldn't necessarily pick for myself, but I could definitely see myself wearing now that I have it. You know what I mean? Kind of forcing me to get out of my comfort zone a bit. So that I do appreciate. I feel like a lot of the times their fashion items do kind of force me to like try something different that I wouldn't have necessarily bought, but then I'm like, oh, I actually like that. Ooh, next is, oh, it's from Manna Kadar. This is just like luxe packaging. It's the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. This retails for $24. Oh, it's not open yet. I kind of want to like wait until I'm like ready to open it, but it's supposed to detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin. It will buff away dead skin cells, absorb excess oils, and reveals balanced, moisturized skin. So love that. I use body scrubs, I would say once or twice a week, especially before I shave, because I do feel like I get a closer shave, even if I only have the time to use it on my legs. You know what I mean? But I love body scrubs, and so that is something that will definitely get used. And again, I love that they're full size. Yes, I was hoping. Okay, so this is from the brand Caress, and it is their Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Okay, I used to have this Caress Sleeping Facial, and it was like their, oh darn it, I don't remember. It wasn't Wild Rose, it was something else. But the idea of a sleeping facial, and it was my first one I'd ever tried, is that you put it on your skin and leave it on overnight. You don't need to wash it off. I think that some of them tell you to wash it off like come morning. I usually don't, and it's just fine. But this one retails for $48, so they are not cheap. But it says it hydrates and brightens your skin. It's a weightless souffle that has vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. Oh, love it. So this, I wonder if on the box it tells you, yeah, it says you'll have more radiant skin by morning. Apply it to the face and neck. That's it. So you just leave it on. I really, really love products like this. So this will definitely get used. And I loved that Carez one. So I'm excited to have basically a different version of that other product I like. So next in here is from the brand Lavido or Lavido. I'm not sure. It is their aromatic body lotion and it's mandarin orange and bergamot. Ooh, this one I am gonna open. This could be something I could see myself leaving like on my nightstand or on my desk to be able to use like on my hands and arms when I'm just like standing there working. I have a standing desk, so half the time I'm standing. Sounded so pretentious. I have a standing desk. I'm not sure that it's doing anything good for me. I just like to think it is. Ooh, it's definitely an energizing scent. So yeah, maybe I will put this on my workstation. And it's very citrusy, very, like I said, energizing. It just like wakes you up. I like that smell though. So, and it feels nice. So this retails for $19. I am gonna move it right on over there, so that will get used. Next in here, ooh, is from the brand Way, which is an expensive hair care brand. I've tried quite a bit of their stuff and I feel like it's kind of hit or miss for me. Like their Memory Mist, I hated, but I really liked their dry shampoo and I used their like shampoo and conditioner. I think like the Restore, Repair, whatever it's called. I liked those two. They're just expensive. So this is awesome to get in here. So it is $26 and it's their leave-in conditioner. And it says it's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Ooh. So I do use a detangler from Shea Moisture that's a kid's one. It smells like marshmallows and it is it's so good, you guys. I'll link it. But I will definitely give this a try. And I will say I do like, that one's a spray and detangler that's just a straight up spray. I do enjoy a good like milky lotiony kind of a conditioner. I feel like not only is it detangling, but it's also adding some moisture into my hair. So I'm excited to give this a try. It sounds like it's gonna be similar to like the It's a 10 kind of a leave-in conditioner, so that is exciting. So next up in here is this jump rope from 11, and I think it's Venus Williams like fitness line. We do have a little workout room in our basement, and I don't know that we have a jump rope in there yet. I know that Tyler gets really into that kind of stuff, like doing jump ropes and like just doing different kinds of workouts. So he probably would totally use this, but it retails for 15 bucks and it says, check out FabFitFun.tv for exclusive jump rope workouts with Venus Williams. So that's pretty cool. I will definitely give this a try. I think last time I got it, I think oftentimes they'll give you something fitness related considering it's called FabFitFun. So the last thing in here is this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Here's the deal. I actually have a storied history with this. I don't like this because I didn't really notice a huge difference. However, I know some people swear by this. I didn't give it a fair enough shot over time because my problem was I wanted to use it in the morning, but when I would put concealer over it, it looked crazy. It would pill up like crazy. I could not get it to work together. And like depuffing, I'm like, well, I don't need depuffing before bed. So that was my own struggle. I think I'm gonna pass this on to like my mom or a sister who I think will like it a little bit more. I think my mom will like this. So I wasn't a huge fan, but I don't wanna completely write it off because when I read through your guys' comments when I'd mentioned it this past year, I feel like a lot of you guys, like some of you guys are like, yeah, I can't wear it under makeup, but some of you guys really liked this product. And this one is expensive. It retails for $42. So some of the other items that were in here are like, they had a little aromatherapy oil diffuser you could have gotten. They had some Key Australia really cute sunglasses. They had these copper little measuring spoons that were really, really cute. A necklace, setting powder, a detoxing kind of dry brush. So they really, like I said, it's always a really good mix. And then as you go through the magazine, I learned this last time, it kind of will take you through like different ways to use the different products you were sent. So it'll be an article focused on, you know, cooking with those measuring spoons, or an article focusing on how to use the jump rope, or like spring trend reports, and it'll show the different items you could have gotten and seeing them kind of styled with other pieces. So that I think is pretty cool. FabFitFun has come a long way. I will say that. I think it's always been pretty good. But I think they've really made some good connections with other brands, and that's why these boxes continue to be really, really great. You know, it's free advertising for these other brands as well. So it's kind of I feel like it's a win-win for a lot of these brands. So if you want to catch my winter unboxing for FabFitFun, I will link that video down below. It was a really good one too. And of course, they're always kind of themed seasonally of things that you might want that time of year as well, which I think is cute. It's kind of like a present to yourself. And I think that's part of the reason I've grown to love it so much. If they stopped sending it to me, I would still buy it. And there was a time I bought the FabFitFun myself back before they knew. I just think this is a cool subscription box. I really do. I think it kind of stands out. So if you are interested in giving this a try, like I said, I have my affiliate link down below. Also, you could just go to the regular site, and I do have that $10 off code, which is Jam Beauty, if you're interested in giving this a shot this time around. So overall, this was, you know, as I'm looking back through, I'm like, the Carez product, I'm really excited about. The Way product, I'm really excited about. Right there, that's way beyond the $40 you spent. I like the lotion. I like the, I'm excited to try this like body scrub. But on top of that, I've got the cute backpack. I've got the nice Swell water bottle. I've got a gift for my mom now, the little depuffing gel for your eyes. I've got the jump rope. So it really is, like I mentioned, a cool mix of stuff. And I feel like you undoubtedly get your money's worth. You just hope that, you know, if you get online and you customize what you want, then you know you're at least getting things that you do want and that you will use, which I think is fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, that you will give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.